If you're Hey babes, it's your girl Shugs, and I am back at y'all with another video. Okay, so today I am coming at y'all with a little DIY. All right, trying to save y'all a little bit of coin. If you like me, I like to spend my money on, you know, clothes, vacations, flights, stuff like that. But I like, you know, to keep myself up. I like a little lash every now and then. But lash extensions be running about $150 on the low end. Okay, so I'm gonna show y'all how to get lash extensions for $10. Yes, you heard me, $10. Okay, so all you're gonna need is some lash glue. Okay, I've got this I Envy by Kiss. All right, this was $3.99. And then you're gonna need obviously some lashes. So I got these ones. Okay, they're the Flare Long. And then I have some medium ones as well. Okay, now I only have like 1 pack of medium and then like 5 packs of long because you're gonna use much more, well, I use much more long than I use medium. They're not like extremely long. My lashes are kind of a decent length anyway, so I didn't want to do a whole bunch of mediums. But what you want to do is start off with some clean, you know, eyes. Make sure your eyelids are free of makeup. Make sure your lashes, like if you wear strip lashes on a regular, I cannot say that word. If you wear strip lashes on a regular basis, make sure you've got all that glue and stuff out of your lashes. Okay. All right. So what you want to do is, oh, and you'll need tweezers. Okay. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna take, you know, your lash thing, and you want to open it. Then you're gonna put a little bit of glue on, just gonna put like a little bit of glue on the lid. I don't know if y'all can see that, but it is a really small amount because it's gonna dry like as the air, you know, gets to it. Okay. And then you're going to start, and obviously a mirror. I have a mirror too. Okay. You want to start from the outside. You're going to take the lash. I'll try to get this in the camera. And then you're just going to dip the end. Okay. Don't want to dip too much. You're going to take your lash and then put it underneath your eye. Oh, that was not in the camera. Okay. Okay. So let me try it again. You don't have to use flare lashes, but for me, I think it's easier to like get a thicker looking lash without having to, you know, do as much building. So you're just gonna go up under the lash like that. Okay. So now I pretty much got them over, the long ones over as far as I want them. So now I'm gonna go back and kind of start like stacking them so that I get a little bit more volume. And then the glue that I have the first time is starting to get a little like dry now. So I'm just gonna put a little bit more on that. And like I said, that's why you don't put a whole lot, because after like, you know, 2 minutes, basically what you put on there, because it's gotten air to it, is gonna be dry. So you don't want to waste a whole bunch. Sorry, y'all, I'm struggling today. You know, I'm trying to like relearn, you know, my setup. It's really hard not to look in the viewfinder when I like can see myself. So y'all just bear with me. So I definitely want to add some more like right up in here. And then, so if you can see the difference, this eye is done, and then this eye. I may add a little bit more thickness over here, but let's try to get this eye, you know, situated first. So back to the long. And this eye is a little bit harder for me because I'm right-handed and I have to go all the way to the left side. Most part they're done, but like I said, I do think I want to build up volume a little bit, so we're gonna go back to the long. I'm gonna add a little bit more glue because the glue I have now is getting thick. Okay. And just gonna build up a little bit because I don't want them looking too crazy, but I do also want it to look like I have lashes, you know? And also with lash extensions, I don't know why I can't say that. Like if your lashes, your natural lashes kind of sit, you know, crazy or lean to the side, because you're attaching these to your lashes, it's very possible that they may, you know, lean and go crazy too sometimes. So just like be aware of that. And your goal is basically to try to get them like match as much as possible, which they're obviously not going to be perfect. I'm trying to see, and y'all see how that glue like dried up on the side of my face? All right, y'all, so that's it. I'm pretty much done. That took me 25 minutes, and that's mainly because like I'm trying to make sure the ankles are right and all of that. So like I said, it's really short, it's really simple. It's really inexpensive if either, you know, you just don't have $150 to spend on lashes, or if you're like me, after a couple of days, they get on my nerves anyway, and I be wanting to take them out, but I don't want to have wasted $100, you know? So, like I said, they're not necessarily to replace professional ones because they're not going to last, you know, 3 weeks. They, you know, may last like a strong week. The first time I did them, like I said, I got over it. So after like 4 days, I took them out. So I can't really discuss the longevity of them. But, I mean, people really like them. Of course, you can get like better or like more expensive actual like, you know, cluster lashes if you want to do that. For my sisters out there who like to save a little coin here and there, I really hope y'all enjoyed it. I really hope this is something that y'all can follow along and do on your own. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.